What's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at the Aureday phone and camera tripod stand. Right now I don't have the top attachment attached to it. It's right here. So obviously you can see that you could just screw this right in. If you have a camera, then you can put the camera on it instead of this piece right here. This piece can go on this way and it can go on that way. Now I'm going to go ahead and set this up for a standard cell phone holding position. But anyway, as I do this, I'm going to explain why I chose this over a gimbal, because I actually do DIY type videos and I don't actually do a lot of running around, so I don't really need a gimbal. This, however, is awesome. All right, I'm going to go ahead and open this up for you. This can be extended up to 67 inches high. Yes, that's right. That's 5 feet 7. All right, so all you got to do is pop it like that. The only drawback to having this thing fully extended and having the feet completely extended, you'll see that as it comes all the way out, it actually gets smaller at the bottom. So I like to do it and leave it somewhat, maybe a little bit shorter than it needs to be, but you can see how much wider the base is right here, and I can lock it in position. It also comes with a Bluetooth remote, one for iOS and one for Android, so that you can take your pictures without coming over here and having to tap the phone. Old phone into this so you can see how this thing works. It's literally just squeezes the phone to hold it, right? You can see this piece here can probably hold a flash if you needed to, or some sort of a light source. I've loosened this knob and this knob so you can see what it does. So I can pan right and left. This piece can bring this up like that. I can also scroll up and down just like this. Okay, another interesting feature that this thing has is a bubble level right here. Okay, so the only thing it doesn't have is a stabilizer. If what you're doing doesn't require a lot of moving around, this piece of equipment is going to be just right for you.